Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. It's me Anvesha, and today's topic you have already seen the title. It's about trading, how not to lose all your money in the market. चीटी काट रही है. Anyways, here's the deal. Trading looks cool on Instagram, YouTube. Everyone's driving BMW, Mercedes, Lambo, making $1,000 in just 10 minutes. But the reality is, most traders, beginners, lose money. This video will save your wallet and mental peace. First, learn the game before you play. Imagine walking into the casino and throwing the chips without knowing the rules. That's how most people start trading. इसका सुन के उसका सुन के इधर का उधर. So the tip is to study the basics. What is a stock? What is leverage? What moves market? What is candlestick patterns and everything. Tools which you can use is Investopedia, TradingView, and many other apps. If you want the best one, I can suggest you, but I will suggest you in some other videos. Second, demo first, real money later. Before you put your hard-earned cash in it, try trading with the fake money. The tip is use paper trading, platforms like Webbull, FrontPage, etc. Third, master risk management. This is what separates gamblers from real traders. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your total capital in a single trade. And stop loss has to be your best friend. Fourth, strategy is better than luck. Drawing lines on a chart is not a strategy at all. You just need a consistent plan. Even if you're making a strategy and using it for 2 days and that 2 days was loss, you can't quit. You have to do it for months. You have to create your own stop loss and you have to cut that trade on that stop loss. and आपको पता है कि आपकी कैपिटल का कितना छोटा सा परसेंट है जिससे आपको फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ता, and you are doing it consistently, then आपके 20 दिनों में से ना 15 दिन प्रॉफिट होंगे, and that 5 days का लॉस is ittusa and that profit is ittusa. Ratio 1:2 is best. So if you're losing, that's very minimal amount, and if you're gaining, that's a huge amount. So that is also not possible कि huge amount में trade exit करना है. You can exit 1-2% लेकर capital का, 2%, 3%, and stop loss even just 10-20 points in starting. Either it's momentum trading, swing trading, or breakout. Pick one, test it, and refine it. Emotions here will kill you. Trading is 20% technical and 80% emotional control. Imagine the trade which went wrong because of fear or greed or something. Once Warren Buffett said, the market is a device for transferring money from impatient to patient. So keep patience. Don't trade the news unless you're pro. Reacting emotionally to news headlines. News moves fast, but algorithm moves faster. Advice is to stick to your technical or fundamental plan. Don't blindly trust on news telling you again and again. I don't want to take names, but still CNBC Awaaz and whatever, everything is just अजीब सा. मतलब they are not giving the real news to you all the time. It is dependable. So you need to stay alert at every point. Just be consistent to your own plan. Don't believe others. No one. Seventh, everyone wants to go from $100 to $10,000 in just 3 days. That's how you lose all your money. Again, start with small amount and focus on consistency. Guys, this word consistency will go through every other video of mine, because this is the thing you need in your life more than anything else. So if you have these 2 things, consistency and discipline, you don't need anything else. If you are unable to turn $100 to $110, then you are not ready for turning $100 to $10,000. Then that is so obvious. So try taking small steps. At least you'll earn, not lose. 8th, journaling every day. Yes, journaling is boring, but it's a secret sauce. Pro tip is to write down everything while journaling your trade. Entry price, exit price, emotions, mistakes, lessons you learned, its loss, profit, why, and everything. And the benefit will be you'll spot patterns and will be able to fix errors faster. आपको एक पैटर्न दिखेगा, you can see कि आपकी गलती यहाँ हो रही है और यहाँ आप एंट्री जल्दी ले रहे हो, आप एंट्री गलत टाइम पे ले रहे हो, लॉस इसीलिए हो रहा है, इस पे नहीं हो रहा है, ये लेसन आपकी इमोशनली आपको क्या दिक्कत हो रही है, एंड आप कौन सा लेसन बार बार सीख रहे हो फिर भी गलती कर रहे हो. एवरीथिंग विल बी इन अ पैटर्न, सो यू कैन जस्ट सी एंड रेक्टिफाई इट ऐसे तुरंत. Avoid all that scams and the fake gurus all in the market. Avoid. You are a guru in your own self. You are yourself a guru. You can do anything you want to. You just need to learn, and you can learn on your own. Just have to go through the market, live market. Join my VIP signal group for just rupees 10,000 for a month. Hard pass. And what is a red flag in this? Flashy lifestyle, no proofs or lessons about consistency, no risk disclosure. Tip is to learn to fish, not to pay for fish. And the 10th and the final point is, you can't win if you don't know when to walk away. You must know when to take profits, when to cut losses, and when to stop for a day. Trading isn't easy money, but it can be an ocean of money if you treat it like one. Don't chase, don't gamble, definitely don't trade on basis of vibes. Hit like if you have even made a dumb trade. And if you want to get smarter, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.